Hi everyone, I am Raja S, Assistant Professor EC Department from the SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss about the case study of applications of analog and digital communication. So we know that the subject analog to digital communication will deals with how analog signals are transmitted in wireless medium, how digital pulses are transmitted in wireless medium, what are the various technologies are available in this analog and digital communication. So in this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about how the analog and digital pulses are comprised and applicable in the digital camera, as well as how these signals are very useful in the automobile industry. So today video we are going to discuss about the case study of applications of ADC. So I welcome you all for my YouTube video. So mainly the applications of ADC are mostly they are used in a digital camera, also an embedded control system linked with the automobile industry. Also they are very useful in the satellite phone industry. Also they are very useful in the SIM card application, and mainly they are used in wherever we want to transmit our signals in a wireless medium. That area we are in need of this analog and digital communication. So in this block diagram, if you see this block diagram, it is the various components of a digital camera. From the left to right, the left hand side will be the power supply unit, where normally either we can use it for a AC's power supply, or we can use it as a battery, as the rechargeable battery as the power supply medium. Also the battery should consist of battery monitor and charge control. While you are switching on the camera, it shows how much your battery, whether it is 25% or 50% or 75%. Sometimes they have tell the command of you need to charge this battery. The next voltage regulator LM7805, why it is used means sometimes a battery is maybe a contaminator, or sometimes if you give directly power supply to this camera, excess voltage cannot cause the camera in a damaged one. So in order to avoid the excess voltage, we are using the voltage regulator LM7805, which is used to regulate the input power supply. Then last one is the switched on off control battery. So whether you want to switch on the battery or switch off the battery, like that, we have a separate button. Then followed by the right hand side, we have a flash memory, a standard storage RAM, a standard storage device, a CF micro memory chip, expansion slot, which is used for additionally improve your storage capacity. Then digital media processor, where you can do all your CPU processor in a digital camera. Then main control unit, followed by a clock unit. The clock units are interfaced with the user interface buttons, and also normally now we are using the touch screen LED control and LCD control for output display. Normally we are using TFT LCD display. Then the media control processor is linked with analog front end or CCD CMOS image sensor to capture the entire image into a particular size of image by using a lens. And we also use the shutter focus control for focusing the object at a clear tuning. Then if you want to transmit this taken photo into your computer or mobile phone, means we are using the USB or IEEE 1394 interface. So in this block diagram, we have a main three blocks. One is the power supply unit, second one is the digital media processor, then third one is the input and output interface buttons. Next we see individually how these are working. So the device capturing and storing images in the form of digital data in the place of conventional paper film based on image storage. In old generation, whatever the image we are taken, everything is converted into a papered or film format. So mainly the digital camera contains lens and image sensors for capturing the image, and LCD is the output devices for displaying the captured image, where we use interface buttons to control the operation of devices and a communication interface to connect it with PC to transfer capture images. Like normal film camera, it uses lens to focus the scene which will be captured as an image. In normal camera, image is captured into photo film, later developed to recreate image in digital camera images electronically. So mainly in digital camera we are using the CMOS image sensors where it is used for capturing the image. When it is exposed to light, these sensors produce electrons which in turn generates analog voltage signals. These analog signals are post-processed. Post-processing means it is filtering. Filtering means noise removing. The quality of this image will be improved by using an amplifier. Then again it is converted into digital format by an analog front-end system. An analog frequency filter ICs are available from various manufacturers like Texas Instruments. The digitized data is fed to digital media processor which implements various compression algorithms like JPEG, TIFF, etc. for compressing the raw data image. Whatever the image we are taking in the form of analog, that is stored in the digital, and the digital image is stored in the form of JPEG or TIFF, etc. in the format of original image format. Digital media processor may contain DMA, data multiple access, to transfer compressed image into a storage memory directly. The various system functions like shutter control and zooming control is performed by system control unit which is implemented using 16 or 32-bit microprocessor or microcontroller. A digital camera is powered by a rechargeable battery and monitoring and charging control is carried out by a battery charge control and monitor IC. A monitor IC which is under control of system control unit. A additional provision for interfacing storage memory device like storage card, CF, MMC cards are implemented. The digital camera can be connected to PC through communication interfaces like USB, IEEE 1394, etc. supported by devices for image transfer. Nowadays, single chip system on chip incorporating both image processor and a 1632-bit microprocessor in single chip IC are available. Resolution of digital camera is increased by the term called megapixels. So nowadays if you see, all mobile phone and all laptop cameras are mentioned in the form of megapixel size. It represents the pixels per inch of image sensing device. As number of pixels increases, image quality also increases. Various system control tasks and image capturing and processing tasks for digital camera are implemented using an embedded OS. So in this digital camera, we see how the analog signal, that is normally how this natural image is converted into digital by inside the camera, and how these digitals are converted into pulses are converted into image sizes, and after this image size, how these are stored in some particular product like a digital camera is discussed. So while you are studying the unit 2, unit 3, you are using various form of pulse amplitude modulation, pulse position modulation, phase shift keying, amplitude shift keying, binary phase shift keying. Likewise, so many methods are implemented in digital camera to apply an analog image into digital signal transmission, and how these digital signal transmissions are carried in a memory chip based structure. So next we see how this analog digital communication is implemented in an automobile area. So in the automobile industry, mainly it is used to control various signals in the form of analog to digital. For example, if you take a FM which are in analog, and while you are controlling in car, it is in the digital format. The various embedded system used in automobile industry are engine control system, speed control and brake system, personal and car safety system, seat and pedal controls, automatic clutch control, VWT controller, fuel injection controller, ACC, airbag, brake, immobilizer unit, vicinity next unit, route and traffic monitoring system for monitor whether our car is going in a correct route or not, automobile status monitoring, a data login, whether this car is having a correct fuel or not, that is monitored by automobile status monitoring and data logging, infotainment systems and text to speech converter, voice activation and command. Sometimes in foreign cars, if you say start the car will automatically starting. The main function of this embedded system is automobiles are anti-lock braking system, automatic braking system, clutch mobile bracing system, then regenerative braking system. All these analog signals are converted into a digital pulses in the form of the name called pulse amplitude modulation, pulse position modulation and amplitude shifting modulation. So in our subject not only used in electronic domain also, sometimes they are used in the mechanical field or automobile industry also. Next we see individual. So first we see the engine control. It automatically control of fuel injection, speed control and brake unit. It is the automatic cruise control, anti-lock braking system, automatic braking system and regenerative braking system. The various safety system installed in this embedded units are for personal safety and car safety. Personal safety is by multiple and variable speed airbags. Airbags are used for cushioning. If you see our seat belts, that are controlled by these airbags. Rapid inflation of the bag in case of collision followed by deflation. Car safety is provided by remote key entry and immobilizer unit. This remote key entry is mainly used in analog digital communication. RKE system is embedded CPU and software to control door locks and immobilizer unit, immobilize the car if unauthorized user attempts to drive the car away. It is a buzzer sound where unwanted people are touch your car or they want to move your car from one place to another place without your knowledge. The buzzer will sound and you can alert this car movement. Security system includes alarms, vicinity alert and lane departure alert. Collision mitigation brake systems are very much useful for a long run drive in the range of hilly areas. Seat and pedal controls are mainly include seat restraint controller and a memory heated seat adjustable pedal module. Car environment controls are mainly useful for controller to control the air conditioning, heater, ventilation, windows, light and temperature. Route and traffic monitors are done by GPS, that is global positioning system, mapping, GPS guided route programming and route planners. So thank you for watching my video. In this next video we are going to deal some other analog and digital communications case study. I hope you are enjoying this video. Once again, thank you for watching my video.